Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to automate daily stand-up reminders in Google Chat using xFanatical Foresight. Daily stand-ups keep teams aligned, but manually posting reminders in Google Chat is repetitive and inconsistent. In remote setups, this task quickly becomes tedious for the Scrum Master. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, you can automate stand-up reminders using a chat webhook and a recurring calendar event. Messages go out on time every time, saving effort and boosting team productivity. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search Daily Stand-Up Reminder in Google Chat and click on it. In the Daily Stand-Up Reminder in Google Chat page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, a dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Daily Stand-Up Reminder in Google Chat will display. Click on the If action. In the If screen, customize the branches according to your needs. Click on the Send Message to Chat action. In the Send Message to Chat screen, in the Webhook field, paste the webhook link copied from creating a Google Chat Space webhook. Customize the message based on the if condition of the branch. Repeat the same customization for the Send Message to Chat action in the other branch as well. Click Review. Customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to the Rules page. Wait for the scheduled calendar event to trigger, and you'll receive a notification in the top right corner. In the notification message, click View Log to review the execution details. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Navigate to your Google Chat space and verify that the automation has successfully delivered the daily stand-up reminder message. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.